Okay, I got five likes. I'm 50 likes on Facebook, so I'm gonna do the, I'm gonna say no exceptions. Okay. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and pissed at the wind. He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reach a something. And my mama said that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love that does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. And we've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping it comfortable. And up until now, I've sworn to myself that sometimes it's lonely. Because none of it was ever worth the risk for you. The only exception for you. The only exception. You are the only exception for you.